Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Indian's Lifestyle in Melbourne. Today I am going to share my grocery shopping in Australia. In Melbourne, there are few famous grocery shops like Woolworths, Coles, IGA having branches everywhere in the city. At present, we are in Carnegie. Now I am showing the Woolworths grocery store which is located in Carnegie. In this we have another stores like Aldi, BWS, Yamaha, Spotlight and Good Life. Also we have food stores like Fish Harbour, Gamey Chicken and Beef. Now we are entering into the mall. At the top we have Spotlight, Aldi, and we are seeing different shops here. Now we are entering into the Woolworths shop. We are entering into the store. Here we are having flower bouquets which are very beautiful. Here first we see the fruits and vegetables. We see the prices changing weekly. They keep off price on some products. If there is offer, they mention in yellow tags. We can take these fruits for kids freely, which are in baskets. We can have different types of leafy vegetables. Here we have eggplant, brinjal corns, onions. Here already they have kept 1 kg of bunch packets. There isn't any change in vegetables cost, but sometimes there is increase in cost. These are the salad packets. The cost of unpacked is high compared to the packed item. Here we have ginger and garlic. I just shopped after looking at the price of ginger and garlic. It's very costly compared to all other items. Here ginger is $25 per kg, garlic is $13 per kg. Here Here we can have different types of meats. If you see my other videos, I am explaining about paleo diet. Most of the people like to follow these diets so they can have what they want into the diet like chicken, pork, beef, etc. Now we are in other section. Here we have bread, which is very important and favorite item for these people. We have to carry one trolley for easy shopping. Now we are in kids section. These are all belongs to kids like juices, creams, yogurts. We get more items related to kids. We are seeing the board mentioning at the top, mentioning different sections for easy shopping. Now here we have different types of chips. These are the different types of tea and powders which are favorite for these people. These are the processed milks. Here we have condensed milk, fat-free milk. They use as it is good for health. Here we have seeing different types of chocolate. Yellow tag mentions offers. These offers changes week to week. How we know is from Wednesday to Wednesday there is an offer. Also they give free magazines and week starts from Wednesday. Here. Here we have having biscuits. Belvita is perfect snack item for evening. Now we are in the section of sauces, oils, nuts and mixtures. Here we are seeing the different oils, but they follow diet. There is a great increase in sales of coconut and olive oil. Here we are seeing different types of sauces. For them it is very important. Now we are in the section of Asian food, that is our Indian food. Chicken noodles. Here we have different types of masalas, and also we are seeing pulses of flours. No one prefers Indian grocery items in Woolworths. Here we have biscuits, canned processed sweet items, yellow raw sugar. These are the tins. There is no season. They use these canned tins. Here we have tomato. The cost of tomato is high if there is no season. Beans, chickpeas. These are all processed ones which are not healthy. Here we are seeing salmon, tuna, fish which is canned. Nail polish. Nail polish. Now we are in beauty section. They mention big offers, but it doesn't look like offers because it looks for me they keep high cost compared to India. They offer big offers. See here we are seeing nail polish is $8 in off price, but that is high cost. Here we are seeing scissors, comb and different items. So it's better to get the things from India as the cost is high. Now we are in the section of kitchen, pans, knives, spoons. Here we have different types of items. Here we have different items according to their recipes: cakes, pans, bowls. Now we are in pet section. There is separate section for pets. These are the brands of milk. We get 2.5, 1 liter. Some are fat free and some are full cream, but I choose 2 liter full cream. I always prefer 2 liter full cream milk. These are the frozen items which are instant. It's enough if we keep items in ovens. These are all food items which are processed one. Here no one has time, it seems. We see more number of instant and processed foods which are not healthy, and I don't like processed foods. Now we are at the scanning machine. In India they scan the items, but here we have the option to scan. Here red light scans the items and we keep it aside, and it takes. If there is no product it mentions. And here we also have the option vegetables and fruits. I have took the items and I have scanned it. Now I am scrapping the card and I have took the receipt. Thank you friends. If you like this video, please click on like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks for watching.